Hi, my name's Sarah. In this video, I'm just going to be giving a very broad overview and roadmap of how to get set up with Agopti, and then also where to find different things and where everything's located. So there are more detailed videos about how to do every step with detailed instructions, but this will just kind of give you an idea of where things are and what kinds of things you'll need to do. So we'll start here in the account profile. So to get here, it's just account and then profile. And the main thing here is you'll want to define your service area. So the service area is where you'll be doing most of your spraying. So the wording areas will auto-populate for the service area, and when you're creating a new field or looking at orders, it'll default the location to the service area that you define. So once you do the service area, then you'll want to fill out the inputs. So if we click this input dropdown, you'll just want to fill out your information for all of these. So if we hop over to applicators, you can see a name, pesticide license number, and equipment number. And same thing with all of these. To add a new one, you'll just type in the name and hit the plus sign. Just like that, and there we go, crop created. So you'll want to fill out all these inputs with your information. Then the next step will be to go to products and do the same thing. Add in all the different products that you're using. And then after that, you can go to producers, and the producer will be we'll have the fields associated with it. So if you click on a producer, you'll see all these fields that are associated with it. If you want to add a new field, you just hit the plus sign for add field, zoom in on the map, and then use the drawing tools to outline the field. Okay, and then give it a name and create field. All right, so once you have the inputs, products, and producers filled out, you can start making orders. So to create an order, you'll hit the plus sign over here on the left, and then fill out the information. Select your producer and select your field, and hit the plus sign to add a product. And there you go. And you can also, if you want to spray multiple chemicals on the same field, you can hit the plus sign again and select multiple products. Or if you want to spray multiple fields with the same chemicals, then you can hit the plus sign and again fill out a field or additional fields. But for now, we'll just do this one, and then I'll hit create orders, and there we go, one new order created. All right, so to create a load is a grouping of orders that will be sprayed together. So to create a load, you'll want to, let's see, here we go. You'll want to click on the Agopti logo in the top left of the screen, and that'll take you to this page. So this has all your orders that need to be sprayed, and to create a load, you can filter down by different products or information. So I'll just click on Lorsban and do filter. There we go. Let's see. Okay, and then if we also want to filter down geographically, we can click this draw shape tool. And there we go. Now we've got these 3 fields that we want to spray, and we'll select an applicator, select a location, and then we can create our load. And that has all this information. So that's how you create a load. Once the load has been sprayed, you can click on the load number again, and that'll bring you back here. and you can enter as applied information. So let's just do quick input, and we'll select the date that it was applied on, and you can also fill out the time and the temperature and the weather at the time of the spray. And you can enter in the as applied shape files as well. And there we go, load updated. So those are the main steps for how to get started with ordering and dispatching. So fill out all the inputs, the products, the producers, and then to create a new order, you hit the plus sign. To create a load, you click on the Agopti sign. And then you can manage orders and loads from the orders and the loads tabs.